Try this one thing right now. Stand up from your chair, squat down as deep as you can, hold for 10 seconds, then stand up without using your hands for support. How do you feel? Knee pain? Losing your balance? Or did you have to use your hands to stand up? The surprising thing is that in many rural parts of Japan, people who are 80, even 90 years old, do this every day with ease. No gym needed, no heavy workouts, no fancy machines. So what's the secret? Today, we're going to explore 6 simple everyday movements that help Japanese people keep their legs strong well into old age, and you can totally start doing them today. Have you ever wondered why our legs get weaker over time, even if we feel healthy? Many people think this is just part of getting older, but the real story is much more complicated. Actually, it's not just about age. Lots of older people still have strong, flexible legs. They even do outdoor activities, go hiking, garden, or play sports. The biggest problem is actually the chair we use every day. Chairs have become a huge part of modern life, but they're also what makes our bodies slowly get weaker. Think about your day. You sit to eat breakfast, sit in the car to go to work, sit at your desk in the office, sit to look at your phone, sit to watch TV. We spend way more time sitting than we do moving around. At the end of the day, we lie down to sleep, staying still until the next morning. Our bodies are stuck in a 90-degree hip bend for decades. This means important muscles like our glutes, thigh muscles, and hip joints don't get enough movement. The result is weak glute muscles, stiff hip joints, and it becomes harder to stand up and sit down. Sometimes, just getting out of a chair can be a challenge. Not just that, our ankles also lose their flexibility, making it harder to move around and keep our balance. Blood flow to our legs gets worse, and our muscles don't get enough nutrients. This leads to numbness, tiredness, and a heavy feeling in our legs. Our balance gets worse, and the risk of falling goes up, especially for older people. And then we just accept it. Getting old means getting weaker, that's just how it is. But actually our bodies are just getting used to the inactive lifestyle we choose. If we change our habits, our bodies can totally get their strength back. In Japan, many daily activities happen on the floor, from eating and having guests to relaxing. This might seem simple, but it helps the body move more naturally. When you're constantly squatting, standing up, sitting down, and stretching your legs on the floor, your body has to move correctly every day. This keeps your legs strong and flexible, no matter your age. That's the secret to how Japanese people keep their leg strength for a long time. Movement 1. The deep squat. This is one of the most basic human movements, seen from childhood all the way to adulthood. In many Asian cultures, squatting isn't just an exercise, it's part of daily life. From eating and resting to doing chores, squatting isn't just an exercise, it's a natural movement skill that helps your body stay flexible, agile, and healthy. When you do this movement often, you'll really feel the difference in how well you can move. It's a natural human posture, something everyone from little kids to older people has done. But over time, because of sitting in chairs a lot and not moving enough, many people slowly lose this ability. When you deep squat, your ankles stretch a lot, which helps them become more flexible and lowers your risk of getting hurt when you move or do intense activities. Your knee joints move smoothly, and your hips open fully, which helps your joints work well and takes pressure off your lower back. Your glute muscles work hard, helping to support your body, improve your posture, and make your lower body stronger. Joint fluid moves around, feeding your joint cartilage and helping your joints stay healthy and flexible over time. If you can't deep squat right now, don't worry. That's totally normal, especially if you haven't done this movement in a long time. It's not like your body is permanently broken, it's just a movement skill that you've forgotten because of modern habits. If you keep practicing, you can totally get this ability back. Start with small, gentle, and safe steps. You can start by holding onto a sturdy table or chair, slowly squatting down, holding the position for a few seconds, and then slowly standing up. Repeat this many times a day to get your body used to this movement. Every day you'll feel small improvements, slowly getting back the flexibility and strength in your legs, which will help you live a more active and confident life. If you want to keep moving easily when you're 70 or 80, hit that subscribe button right now, because here, we're not just getting stronger for today, but for a healthy future too. And now, let's move on to our next habit. Movement 2. Gentle morning exercise. In Japan, many people start their day with gentle movements. It's not about exercising until you're exhausted, but rather, light bouncing, stretching, moving your whole body, and getting your blood flowing. This helps blood flow to your legs, wakes up your nervous system, and tells your muscles to get ready to work. Weak legs aren't just because muscles get smaller, but because the signals for movement get weaker. A few minutes of movement each morning helps your body get its systems going. Movement 3. The kneeling position. Sitting on your knees with your bottom on your heels helps stretch your ankles, makes your knees more flexible, and keeps your thigh muscles agile. Stiff ankles are a hidden reason why many people lose their balance easily as they get older. You don't have to push yourself right away. You can put a pillow under your feet and practice little by little. Movement 4. Waking up your feet. Your feet are the foundation of your body, but, modern shoes make your toes lose their natural ability to move. You can walk barefoot inside your home, use your toes to pull a towel, or grip your toes into the floor. This will help improve your balance, reduce pressure on your knees, and even lessen back pain. A strong foundation will make your whole body more stable. Movement 5. Standing on one leg. Standing on one leg helps wake up the small muscles around your hips and ankles that help you stay steady. You can practice this while brushing your teeth, waiting for water to boil, or watching TV. It's super flexible, right? If your body shakes a little, it means your brain is learning how to keep you balanced again. Movement 6. Standing up from the floor. This might be the most important test. In Japan, people sit and stand from the floor many times a day. Being able to get up by yourself after a fall is super important as you get older. You can practice this by sitting down on the floor, lying on your back, then standing up, and try to use your hands as little as possible. This will keep your butt and thigh muscles strong. The most important message I want to share with you today is this. Remember, good health and flexibility don't come from big things or sudden changes. They're the result of small habits, repeated every day, and never giving up. Japanese people are known for living long and staying healthy. But their secret isn't hard workouts or pushing themselves too much. They don't do heavy exercises. They don't need fancy gyms or complicated equipment. Instead, they keep moving gently and naturally in their daily lives. They simply don't let their bodies stop moving, whether it's cleaning the house, walking around the garden, or just standing up and sitting down many times a day. These small movements help them stay healthy, flexible, and happy. You don't have to change everything at once, and you don't need to set huge goals that make you feel stressed. Start with the smallest things that fit your ability and your daily rhythm. Just start with one small thing, maybe a move you've never tried, or a new habit you want to build. Sometimes, just taking the first step is a big success. For example, you can try squatting deeper when picking up things from the floor, instead of bending your back. This move not only makes your legs stronger, but also helps your knee and hip joints move better. Or every day spend a few minutes standing on one leg to practice your balance. This is one of the secrets that helps Japanese people avoid falling when they get older. Walking barefoot indoors is also a great habit. It helps your foot muscles move, improves your balance, and connects you to the ground, something many young people today have forgotten. Or simply sit on the floor more, instead of on a chair. This helps your joints move freely and also works your muscles when you stand up and sit down. The human body is like a power generator. The more you move, the more energy you create. If you let your body be lazy, your energy will slowly run out, your joints will get stiff, and your mind will get tired more easily. When you keep moving, even with small movements, you'll feel a clear change. Your body will be more flexible, your mind will be happier, and every day will be full of life. Morning stiffness isn't a sign of old age, it's just a sign of not moving enough. Don't worry if you feel stiff when you wake up. Gently stretch, turn your body, and start your day with a few simple moves. If you keep at it, your flexibility will slowly come back. Remember, age is just a number. What matters is whether you keep moving. Now I want to ask you something. Out of all the movements we've done together today, which one felt the hardest for you? Was it deep squatting, standing on one leg for balance, or getting up from the floor without using your hands? Everyone has their own challenge, and that's totally normal. Don't be shy to share how you feel. Which movement do you find hardest right now? Knowing your weak spots is the first step to getting better. Maybe you have trouble squatting, or you feel wobbly when standing on one leg. That's completely normal, and you're not alone on this journey. Or do you find getting up from the floor a big challenge? Don't worry, just keep practicing regularly, and you'll see yourself improve every day. Please leave a comment below so we can share, encourage, and get better together every day. Supporting each other will help us stick with our health journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That not only gives me more motivation to share valuable content, but it also helps you not miss out on tips for long-term health. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to always get the latest videos on health, movement, and a positive lifestyle. We're not exercising just to look good for a few months, but to keep our health, independence, and joy of living until we're 80 or 90. The final goal isn't a perfect body, but the ability to stand up on your own, take care of yourself, and fully enjoy life when you're older. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'll see you in the next videos, where we'll keep exploring secrets to living healthy, happy, and long lives. I wish you always full of energy and belief in yourself.